everyone, hope you guys are doing wonderful, and today I'm going to do a review of a beautiful foundation which is quite loved, and how it wears throughout the day, and how I'm going to wear it, what you can do to make it wear for a longer period of time. All of that we're going to talk about. But before we do that, if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe, hit the notification bell, and follow me on Instagram if you haven't. Let's jump in. That it is a 40 ml pack and it says it's a 24-hour coverage. तो 24 hours के लिए you are done. You don't have to touch up. इन्होंने इसमें कहा भी है कि आपको इसका कोई टच अप करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, कोई आपको पाउडर से इसको एप्लीकेशन करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. And it's for all skin types. It's not just that I'm oily skin, so it's good for me. It covers all the pigmentation and blemishes and all of that. So that you will see right now if it does or it does not. Plus they have 26 shades, but I will say कि उनके shades darker tones की तरफ इतने नहीं हैं. जो shade मैं use कर रही हूँ वो है 021 linen, and that matches me the most. You have to shake it well before use. It's a plastic bottle. ऐसा ट्यूब है. It's not a मतलब squishy ट्यूब है, और it's not a glass bottle which usually Dior has. तो पता नहीं, शायद पेंडेमिक की वजह से नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है, पहले से कैसा पैकेजिंग है. I had been using Dior, और पहले भी मैंने इसका जो फाउंडेशन यूज़ किया था उसकी जगह अब मैंने ये परचेज़ किया है. So the thing is, I get a headache from applying foundation or any kind of makeup which has some kind of a perfume in it. इसके साथ मुझे ऐसा नहीं होता. Estee Lauder के साथ मुझे ऐसा होता है. वो बहुत अच्छा फाउंडेशन है, बट I can't take the smell. So this doesn't do that, and I have been applying it for quite some time. और अब मैं आपको एक साइड पे I'll apply it with my sponge and fingers. The other side I'll apply it with the brush, a flat brush, so you can see कि कैसा wear होता है ये. और I will tell you, I'll use a photo finish on one side, the primer with the gel, and MAC का prep and prime on the other, so that you can see with which one it lasts better. And with that, I'll stop blabbering and I'll begin. So since I've prepped my skin, I don't want to apply anything else apart from applying this on one and the other one on the other. So this is Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer, and I'll apply it on one side of my face. So I have a mirror here. You can see I have blemishes on my face. Also I have dark circles. तो अगर ये कहता है कि it covers everything, so पता चल जाएगा अभी कितना कारगर है या नहीं है. whatever it. Let me dab it in with my fingers. Okay. So we have both the sides primed and prepped. Now what we have to do is go in with this thing. So that's the tube up close, and I'm going to squeeze a few drops on my hand, and if I need, I'll take some more. Okay, so let me put few dots and then we'll work our way through. Eyelids पे भी I'm applying it, and later on we'll see whether we need a concealer to cover more. Okay. So this side I'm using a brush on this side, because they say if you want a fuller coverage, go in with a brush. But I using my hand more than anything for application of foundation. तो मैं अपने फिंगर्स से अप्लाई करूँगी और स्पंज की हेल्प से ब्लेंड कर दूँगी ऑन दी अदर साइड. सो आई हैव नो इश्यूज ब्लेंडिंग, और ये जल्दी से सेट नहीं हो जाता. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने अभी लगाया, यू कैन सी आई एम एबल टू मूव इट. सो दैट्स नॉट द इशू विद दिस वन. कुछ फाउंडेशन ऐसा होता है कि आप लगाओ और वो वहीं पर रह जाते हैं जहाँ पे आपने अप्लाई किया होता है. दैट्स नॉट द केस विद दिस वन. So you can see I had a blemish here, और उसको कवर करा है इसने अच्छे से. Now I'm going in with my fingers, and then I will blend it with my beauty blender, because apparently I'm more happy using our fingers than any blender or a sponge. Brush से better application हो रहा है as far as I'm concerned. मुझे तो ऐसा लग रहा है. You can see for yourself. This side is more clean and neat rather than this side. इधर blemishes भी ज़्यादा हैं, but still I would vote for left, my left. And I don't think I need much concealer, so I'm going to avoid the concealer. And straight away and I'm not going to apply any powder because it says you don't need to apply any powder. So now I'm going to apply some bronzer, Hoola. So that's what's going to happen now. I'm going to apply a bronzer so that आपको पता लगे कि product move करता है कि नहीं इसके ऊपर. Just going to blend it. I'm going to apply some blush, going in with this one by Estee Lauder, and generously I'm going to apply because I'm in the mood to do so. Ta-da! So now I'm going to set it with the powder, just to give some dimension. तो मैं बाकी areas में नहीं, but here, so that my cheekbones will show a little. That's it. Yeah. By the way, this is by NYX. You have seen me a zillion times doing it. That's it. I'm taking a brown color from my palette. This one. And this is by Swiss Beauty, if you don't know. There it goes. And I'm going to blend it. It's both from the left, my left. But these are beautiful colors, so I like using this palette a lot. Center mein I'll apply some highlighter by Too Faced. That's a golden highlighter, and since I have this golden thing going on, I'll apply that in the center. So I'm going in from the corner, inner corner to the center. That's it. Again थोड़ा सा और highlighter center में, और फिर taking it from the inner corner again to the center to blend it a little. That's about it. So I'm going to use this liner. This is by Color Bar Melted Crystal 24-hour eyeliner. Again, this is 24-hour, so it should last me longer than the usual ones. Going it with the center. अभी center में लगा के I'll go further ahead. Okay, again starting from the center. Done. So अब लगाते हैं थोड़ा सा mascara. So that's the mascara tube. It's by Benefit. So the mascara is done. थोड़ा सा मुझे ठीक करना पड़ा because it went haywire. That's okay. Now about the lipstick. Let's apply something dark. Winter is it, why not? So I'm going it with Sugar Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick. I hope you could see it. Yeah, that one. Lipstick check. So now I have to apply some highlighter. Again the same one. I'll use this brush, the same brush. I'm in the mood of going a little bit heavy on the highlighter. फर्क पैंदा है. Eyebrows. Let me fill in. Done. So finally that's what I look like after the makeup. You can see after the application foundation कैसा लग रहा है. Both sides. This side I have used my fingers in the sponge. Although यहाँ काफ़ी coverage करने की ज़रूरत थी. So you can see ये flaky area था. I have dry skin on this side, so it has not been able to cover that. The flakiness is still there and I have not managed to touch it. Either, although I've used a brush, so it's covered it better. Either without the brush, that's the condition. So my verdict would be use a brush with this foundation. It's a nice foundation, and since I have worn it earlier, so I can say it lasts a very long time. आपको seriously touch up करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, because I wore it अपने घर में functions पे and all, तो मुझे time भी नहीं था touch up करने के लिए. So I can say कि without the touch up it does stay put, and mine is a super oily skin and super sensitive skin, both at the same time. So it doesn't fail you. Yes, I can't say about 24 hours, but yeah, it is good for at least 10 hours, 8 to 10 hours, depending on what you're doing with your skin. Are you going out to play in the sun or whatever? But in normal conditions it does stay put, and I have no issues, and it's best applied with a foundation brush and not with the sponge. You can set it if you want, but apart from that, nothing else you have to do. I have not applied any powder over it, and it will stay the way it is. I have just set it with the powder so that I get some cheekbones. That's it. So with that, I'm going to wrap it up. If you like it, show me with a thumbs up. Have a very good time. Have a great Republic Day. Take care. Love you all. Bye bye.